Have you ever looked at your paycheck and thought that you need more money? Maybe you've thought about starting a side hustle but aren't sure where to begin. Well, you're in the right place. Whether you want to make extra cash or eventually replace your full-time income, it is time to walk through the steps to get started with the side hustle that works for you. The first step in starting a successful side hustle is identifying what you're good at or what you enjoy. If you can align your side hustle with your strengths, not only will you be more motivated, but it will also be easier to deliver quality work. You need to consider these questions. What skills do I have that others might need? What hobbies or passions do I have that could generate income? What problems do I notice in my daily life that I can solve for others? Here are some skills-based side hustles. Freelancing. You can work on graphic design, web development, writing, and video editing. Teaching or tutoring. If you're knowledgeable in a subject, you can teach or tutor others. Consulting. If you have professional experience in a specific field, you can offer your expertise to help others. Here are some hobby-based side hustles. Photography. You can sell stock photos and start a photography business for events or portraits. Fitness coaching. You can become a personal trainer or teach yoga classes online. Crafting. You can sell handmade products like jewelry, candles, or clothing on Etsy. You need to research the market demand as well. Just because you're good at something doesn't necessarily mean there's a market for it. Market research will help you identify if people are willing to pay for what you're offering and who your target audience is. You can use Google, social media, and freelance platforms to research the market demand. Search for similar products or services and see what's already out there. Look at social platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, or Facebook to see if there's a community around your niche. Are people talking about the problem you can solve? Browse sites like Fiverr or Upwork to check out what services are in demand and how much people are charging for them. Another important aspect is goal setting. Setting a clear goal is the best way to stay focused and motivated as you start your side hustle. Whether you want to make an extra $100 per month or replace your full-time job, goals will help you track your progress. For your short-term goals, you need to make some decisions. What do you want to achieve in the next 3 to 6 months? The answers can be like, land my first client, earn $500 in my first month, or create my website and portfolio. For your long-term goals, you have to decide, where do you want to be in 1 to 2 years? Examples can be like, turn my side hustles into a full-time business, achieve $3,000 a month in income, or expand my client base. You need to create a simple online presence. Basically, you need to have a digital footprint. In today's world, having an online presence is essential for a successful side hustle. It builds trust with potential customers and clients, and it's a place where people can learn about your services or products. Here are some basic steps to build your online presence. You can start by creating a website or portfolio. Even if you're just starting, having a simple website with a portfolio or overview of your services is crucial. Platforms like Wix, WordPress, or Squarespace are easy to use for beginners. If you're a freelancer, you can show examples of your work, client testimonials, and a contact page. You can continue without setting up social media accounts. depending on your hustle. Platforms like Instagram, LinkedIn, or Facebook can help you promote your services. Share relevant content that showcases your expertise and attracts your target audience. You can utilize freelance platforms as well. For service-based hustles, websites like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer are great to connect with clients and gain your first few projects. You need to start small and test yourself. When starting a side hustle, it's crucial to start small and test your offering before scaling up. This will help you understand if there's a demand for your service or product, and it prevents you from getting overwhelmed. Freelancers can take on a few small projects and use them as learning experiences. Focus on delivering quality work and gathering testimonials. On the other hand, if you're selling a physical product, start by selling to friends and family or using an online marketplace like Etsy to test demand. Finally, if you're offering a service like tutoring, coaching, or cleaning, take on a few clients to get feedback and refine your process. Remember, feedbacks are vital. Always ask for feedback from your customers or clients. What worked well and what could you improve? Managing your time effectively is another aspect of the issue. You will have to balance your side hustle with your full-time job. Many of us juggle a side hustle with a full-time job, family, or other commitments. Time management is crucial to avoid burnout and ensure you're being productive without sacrificing your personal life. Here are some tips for time management. You should set specific time blocks. Allocate dedicated hours each week to your side hustle. Use a calendar to schedule work times and protect them. You need to use productivity tools. Tools like Trello, Asana, or even Google Calendar can help you stay organized and on track. You should avoid overcommitting. It's easy to get excited, but be realistic about how much time you can dedicate to your hustle without burning out. Tracking your finances and reinvesting is a key element. Good financial management is essential to growing your side hustle. Track your income, expenses, and taxes to ensure you're staying profitable and setting yourself up for long-term success. Here are some key points for you. Track income and expenses. Use apps like QuickBooks, FreshBooks, or even spreadsheets to keep track of what you're earning and spending. Reinvest profits. Consider reinvesting profits into marketing, tools, or skills that can help you scale your hustle. Don't spend all your earnings right away. In conclusion, in order to start a side hustle, identify your skills, research the market, set goals, create an online presence, start small, manage your time effectively, and track your finances. Starting a side hustle is a journey, and it takes time to see results. You have to be patient and stay consistent. You'll eventually build something that works for you. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more content on personal finance and side hustles, and drop a comment below letting me know what side hustle you're thinking of starting. Thanks for watching.